शख्स तू जान है हमारी.
Walaikum salam.
Huzoor, my name is Musa Isoman.
Musa Isoman, are you from Ghana?
Yes, please.
Acha, what do you do?
Yeah, I'm in charge of social services here.
You are in charge of?
Social services.
Social services. Khidmat Khalq.
Yes, sir, please.
Mutamim Khidmat Khalq.
Yeah, Mutamim
Mutamim Khidmat Khalq.
Mutamim
Khidmat Khalq. Now you should know the terminology.
Yes.
And you should be able to pronounce the terminology. Right?
Yes, please.
What we use.
Yes, please.
The title, your title is Mutamim Khidmat Khalq. And you should know
Mutamim.
Mutamim Khidmat Khalq.
Khidmat Khalq.
Now this is your title. This is your
yes,
portfolio. And
yes.
You should remember it.
Yes.
Acha, acha. So you come from Ghana.
Yes, please.
Acha, what is your original town?
Yeah, I'm from Greater Accra.
Acha.
Yes, please.
You are a Khan.
Yes, please. From Mando.
Okay. Right. So, what is your physical plan?
Yeah, inshallah, Huzoor, we have a lot of plan here. Here in Finland, as a result of the social service is very high here. So we do very little, but we have a good impact.
Yes,
of what
you should
we
visit all people's houses. In these countries, these people are deprived people. And when you go to visit them, they become happy. Because their own relatives do not come to visit them. So, and also, you should collect some amount at least every year for installing one hand pump in any of the African countries, right?
Yes.
If you cannot spend more than that, at least one hand pump in a year should be installed by the Finland Jamaat. So you make a plan for that.